Hello everybody, my name is Alex, and today I'm going to show you how I made material setup for laser. Like here, yeah. Okay, let's check what we have here. We have two shapes. I use cylinders to make these shapes for base like a laser. They stay each inside of each other. Oops, sorry. Sticky material window. Material setup window. Okay, it's here. Okay, let's start interactive rendering and let's start material setup. We'll use very light material. Let's assign it to our first laser. Done. Let's hide second one to make it easier to see what we haven't seen. Okay, let's make it stronger like this. Let's change color to another one. Okay. And now we can see that we have better visible line on the sides and not visible in the end, so we need to make this setup. We'll use map called fell off. Okay, now we see that on the sides it's visible better, stronger, and in the middle it's almost not visible. Let's use mix curve for this. Let's add one more point and make some adjustment. Yeah, something like this. Okay, great. Let's use another map called gradient ramp to make its ending not so visible. Usually I prefer to use simple materials to see how gradient ramp looks like, so I use usual V-Ray material. Okay, and if we rotate it, boom, it's dark in the end and white in the beginning. So now we can use it as mask for our light material, and now we see that end disappear smoothly. To make these maps working together, I'll use composite map with two layers. And now I need to change blending mode to make it working together, to multiply. Yeah, that's it, it's working. Probably we need to adjust fell off a little bit and it disappear it a little bit. So now like this, it looks better. Cool, great. Okay, so now we can see here that there are some smoke between these two lines, outer lines. This smoke we will make using noise map. Let's use it, noise map. Let's make some adjustments like this. Maybe here a little bit. Okay, probably something like this. Okay, I think it's good enough. And to make it working together, we need to use one more composite map. Let's add one more layer. Okay, it's not working because we need to assign two masks to this noise. It should be visible in the center and not visible in the end. So we will use gradient ramp and fell off. Okay, let's use fell off and let's swap mask to make it visible in the middle, not visible in the center. Let's make some adjustment in mix curve editor like this. Let's change this to Bezier smooth to make it disappear more smooth. We can see that it disappeared to the edges and more visible in the center. Okay, but now we see these hard edges in the end. We need to remove it. For this we should use gradient ramp. And that's it, it works. Cool, great. So material setup for first laser is done. Now we need to create material for second laser that is inside. It will be all the same logic. So we will use very light material as well, and we will use two maps, fell off and gradient ramp. Let's make it stronger. And then let's use, actually we need to make it the same color, and I prefer to use maps for this. So in this case color will be the same for both materials, it will be identical. And actually I prefer to use maps as it's more visible what color you use in material. Okay, so we will use composite, we will use fell off and gradient ramp. Let's take this one, gradient ramp. Boom, it's great, it's working. And now we will use fell off. I just decided that probably we can use the same map, just not to duplicate the additional maps. And fell off. Here it's working, and again we need to change blending mode as we see hard edge in the end. Okay, let's change blending mode to multiply. Multiply. And yeah, it's working. Cool. We can see that in a laser change its width becomes wider. Sometimes, from time to time, change its shape. I did it using morpher modifier. Actually, probably we can make some small adjustment of our laser just to make it more visible, as it's in some reasons not visible so much. Yeah, probably can make it stronger, like this, and first laser probably will make stronger as well. Okay, like this, great. And so we use morpher here. We have two shapes. It's here, and when I use morpher, it just changes its shape. Yeah, like this. It becomes wider, and it returns back. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and take care.